Hi guys, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thank you for tuning in. This is our Christmas in July special. We're doing some unboxings, we're doing some product testing. It's gonna be a fun July. Okay, so it's our Christmas in July special. We're doing some unboxings. We are doing some product testing, a lot of product testing actually. But this show is just about unboxings. I ordered a bunch of stuff several months ago. It's in. Kind of forgotten what I ordered. I made a list of everything I wanted for this next year's show, but they kind of threw it all in different boxes. I don't know what we're gonna open up today, but we're gonna find out. May I have the box, please? Thank you, madam. Say hi, Tommy.
Hi, Tommy.
So what we have here today is from Creative Displays. They're up in the Kansas City area. We did an unboxing of their stuff last year. So let's see what I ordered. This is 6 boxes apparently of the same thing. I wonder what it might be. Let's find out. It is more than 6 boxes. Huh, looks like at least 12 boxes. Now what in the world did I order 12 boxes of? Huh, these are firecracker lights, also known as fairy lights in some circles. All right, so let's see what we got to do. So firecracker lights, also known as fairy lights in some circles. These are LED Firecracker 150, so 150 count, 3mm wide angle LED, green wire, warm white. Okay, and the last unboxing video we did, we got a lot of cool whites, or true whites, some people call them different things, but these are warm whites. Let me move all this stuff for y'all. And by the way, this behind us, if you haven't watched this, a couple of things changed from the last episode that we did for an unboxing. This is our new set. If you watched our very first unboxing, this is just a wall here, nothing here. And we've done some construction, kind of wanted to make a set that I could have stuff to lay down, items on, all that kind of good stuff. And also, we changed our logo in the last episode. So if you're an old subscriber and you're like, hey, what happened to Christmas on Crestline's logo? We changed it. You can go back and watch the last unboxing video, kind of get a bit of an explanation. But we're growing and we want to continue to grow, and we really just needed a more professional logo. So that's what we did. So firecracker lights, first impressions right off the bat. And one thing about Creative Displays, I say it all the time, these are commercial lights. These aren't something you're going to find at a box store. And they're always just so well put together. They have a protective coating of plastic on there. They're nice. These look a lot like, visually, because Christmas in July. Remember when you were a little kid, those ladyfinger firecrackers? That's kind of, they call them firecracker lights, and we're Christmas in July, and these look a lot like, and feel a lot like actually, the old ladyfinger firecrackers we used to have as kids. Maybe they still have them, I don't know. But yeah, let's get these all. Okay, they weren't tied together, they're just kind of loose and put up in a ball. Which reminds me, I think I ordered some new lights that are in a ball. Or kind of in a ball, I forget how that went, but yeah. So let's see what these look like. Okay, they're on a timer of some sort. Let's see what this timer does. Well, okay, bit of a delay. All right, I don't mind the color. The 3mm bulb. This is my first experience with a 3mm bulb. This 3mm, right? Yeah, 3mm wide angle LED firecracker lights. And I have 0 experience with a 3mm light. There's no instructions in here, so let's just see what happens when we push a button. Okay. Kind of a fire glow, if you will. Let's see what happens when you push another button. Picks up the pace and just kind of blinking on and off. Let's push it again. Okay, just kind of blinking on and off. Tommy, you want to push a button?
Sure.
Come push a button. She's a button pusher. Thank you very much, Tommy. You know, wave to him.
Hello.
All right, so the fourth attempt. Okay, this one will fade on and off. Does it come back on? No, it switches. Okay, so we got a fade. Random patterns. If you're prone to seizures, you might want to not watch this part. That's interesting. Kind of gives it like a Las Vegas style marquee look. Let's push it again. And we're back to the fades. So it looks like it has 5 features. Oh, that's new. Okay, so we're on our 7th feature then. I'm not quite certain what you would ever use that for. And this is back on. Okay, so it went through what, 7 or 8 features. What I'm going to use this for is actually not for my Christmas display, probably, although I'll never say no to adding lights. What this was originally intended for was to go on our pergola in our backyard. However, about a week ago, a tree decided that pergola does not need to exist. If you ever seen the Lonely Island song, We Threw It on the Ground, the tree's like, that's not my pergola, and it threw it on the ground. So that's destroyed, and it is no longer in existence. So I'm going to have to repurpose these for some other use until we rebuild it. But it's kind of neat. I don't mind the feel of them at all. They look like firecracker, ladyfinger firecrackers. They legitimately do. It's got a great feel to them. Very solid. And if I can turn these off. I guess off is just unplugged. Huh, okay, let's unplug these for half a second, just because I want to see what kind of coating's on there. Okay, so they have these shrink wrapped, which is good, so it should waterproof them. These are, I'm going to use them for outdoor. It doesn't say on the box if they're for indoor or for outdoor either. But yeah, right now I'm going to say that I like them and I recommend them. So for Tommy, my helper, and myself, Charlie, Christmas on Crestline. We'll see you in the next unboxing episode for our Christmas in July. See you guys. Tommy, would you be so kind as to go yell at whoever just rang the doorbell during our very important Christmas on Crestline episode? Be right back. Who is it? Classic Mason. Mason! Mason! You interrupted everybody, so come say hi to everybody. Come on.
Yeah.
You're ringing the doorbell, you gotta come wave hi.
Give me all the...
You're too tall. Duck and wave. That's Mason.
What's up, guys?
Alright, off you go.